AH-64 Apache. The Boeing, McDonnell Douglas, formerly Hughes, AH-64A Apache is the Army's primary attack helicopter. It is a quick-reacting, airborne weapon system that can fight close and deep to destroy, disrupt, or delay enemy forces. The Apache is designed to fight and survive during the day, night, and in adverse weather throughout the world. The principal mission of the Apache is the destruction of high-value targets with the Hellfire missile. It is also capable of employing a 30mm M230 chain gun and Hydra 70, 2.75-inch rockets that are lethal against a wide variety of targets. The Apache has a full range of aircraft survivability equipment and has the ability to withstand hits from rounds up to 23mm in critical areas. The AH-64 Apache is a twin-engine, four-bladed, multi-mission attack helicopter designed as a highly stable aerial weapons delivery platform. It is designed to fight and survive during the day, night, and in adverse weather throughout the world, with a tandem-seated crew consisting of the pilot, located in the rear cockpit position, and the co-pilot gunner, CPG, located in the front position. The Apache is self-deployable, highly survivable, and delivers a lethal array of battlefield armaments. The Apache features a Target Acquisition Designation Site, TADS, and a Pilot Night Vision Sensor, PNVS, which enables the crew to navigate and conduct precision attacks in day, night, and adverse weather conditions. The Apache can carry up to 16 Hellfire laser-designated missiles, with a range of over 8,000 meters. The Hellfire is used primarily for the destruction of tanks, armored vehicles, and other hard material targets. The Apache can also deliver 76, 2.75-inch folding fin aerial rockets for use against enemy personnel, light armor vehicles, and other soft-skin targets. Rounding out the Apache's deadly punch are 1,200 rounds of ammunition for its Area Weapons System, AWS, 30mm automatic gun, powered by two General Electric gas turbine engines rated at 1890 shaft horsepower each. The Apache's maximum gross weight is 17,650 pounds, which allows for a cruise airspeed of 145 miles per hour and a flight endurance of over 3 hours. The AH-64 can be configured with an external 230-gallon fuel tank to extend its range on attack missions, or it can be configured with up to 4 230-gallon fuel tanks for ferrying self-deployment missions. The combat radius of the AH-64 is approximately 150 kilometers. The combat radius with one external 230-gallon fuel tank installed is approximately 300 kilometers. Radii or temperature, PA, fuel burn rate and airspeed dependent. The AH-64 is air transportable in the C5, C-141, and C-17. An onboard video recorder has the capability of recording up to 72 minutes of either the pilot or CPG selected video. It is an invaluable tool for damage assessment and reconnaissance. The Apache's navigation equipment consists of a Doppler navigation system, and most aircraft are equipped with a GPS receiver. The Apache has state-of-the-art optics that provide the capability to select from 3 different target acquisition sensors. These sensors are Day TV, views images during day and low light levels, black and white. TADS FLIR, views thermal images, real-world and magnified, during day, night and adverse weather. Views real-world, full-color, and magnified images during daylight and dusk conditions. The Apache has 4 articulating weapons pylons, 2 on either side of the aircraft, on which weapons or external fuel tanks can be mounted. The aircraft has a LRF winking and laughing. This is used to designate for the Hellfire missile system as well as provide range-to-target information for the fire control computer's calculations of ballistic solutions. Threat identification through the FLIR system is extremely difficult. Although the AH-64 crew can easily find the heat signature of a vehicle, it may not be able to determine friend or foe. Forward-looking infrared detects the difference in the emission of heat in objects. On a hot day, the ground may reflect or emit more heat than the suspected target. In this case, the environment will be hot and the target will be cool. As the air cools at night, the target may lose or emit heat at a lower rate than the surrounding environment. At some point, the emission of heat from both the target and the surrounding environment may be equal. This is IR crossover and makes target acquisition/detection difficult to impossible. IR crossover occurs most often when the environment is wet. This is because the water in the air creates a buffer in the emissivity of objects. This limitation is present in all systems that use FLIR for target acquisition. Low cloud ceilings may not allow the Hellfire seeker enough time to lock onto its target or may cause it to brake lock after acquisition. At extended ranges, the pilot may have to consider the ceiling to allow time for the seeker to steer the weapon onto the target.